Hello mga kawamat, in this video lesson we will discuss arithmetic sequence. So, ang focus natin is to find the end term of an arithmetic sequence. So when we say arithmetic sequence, this is a special type of number pattern in which the two consecutive terms have a constant difference called the common difference. So sinusulat natin yung common difference as letter D or small letter d. Dun sa previous video lesson natin, na-discuss na natin doon yung attributes ng pagkakaiba ng arithmetic and geometric sequence. So doon pa lang na-discuss na o nagkaroon na kayo ng idea on the formula of arithmetic sequence. So for example, given the sequence 4, 8, 12, 16. So this is an example of arithmetic sequence dahil yung common difference nila ay 4. Okay, kung ima-minus natin yung 8 minus ang 8 dun sa 4, so 8 minus 4 is 4. 12 minus 8 is 4. 16 minus 12 is 4. Kaya siya arithmetic sequence. Another example, negative 2 minus negative 5. So, magiging negative 2 plus 5 yon. Okay, so that will be, what is the answer? Okay, positive 3. So, ganun din dito. 1 minus negative 2 ay magiging 3 din yon. 4 minus 1 is 3. That's why this is an example of arithmetic sequence. Next, negative 8.5, negative 5.5, negative 2.5, and 0.5. So kapag minus natin, negative 5.5 minus negative 8.5, ang makukuha nyo dyan is 3. So kaganon din dito. So negative 2.5 minus negative 5.5 is positive 3 din. So itong mga examples na to ay halimbawa ng arithmetic sequence dahil pareho silang may common difference. Okay, so what is the end term of arithmetic sequence? So ang formula na gagamitin natin is a sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus the quantity of n minus 1 times d. So yung a sub n natin dyan is yung end term, yung a sub 1 is yung first term, yung n is the position of the term, and yung D is the common difference. So, ito lang yung gagamitin natin formula. So, dito iikot yung discussion natin today. So, for example, number 1, find the 20th term in the sequence 6, 13, 20, 27. Okay, so yan ang gagamitin natin formula. Una, we will identify first the common difference of the sequence. So, i-check natin no, yung lahat, kung lahat ba ay pare-pareho yung common difference. Baka mamaya merong isa na hindi mali yung sagot or hindi pareho dun sa iba. So, let's check. 13 minus 6, the answer is 7. Tama yan. 20 minus 13, 7 din. So, 27 minus 27 din. So, mako-confirm natin na lahat pare-pareho. So, ang common difference ng sequence na to ay 7. So, tatandaan, yung letter D or yung common difference natin ay 7. Okay, next. After that, we will substitute, okay, values to the general formula to find the 20th term of the sequence. So, again, yung a sub 1, that is the first term. So, yung unang term sa sequence, that is 6. Yung common difference, no, pinakita ko kanina, so that is 7. At yung hinahanap natin is the 20th term of the given sequence. So, yung n natin ay 20. So, gamit yung formula or the end term formula, so isa-substitute nyo lang yung mga nakuha nating values. So, a sub n, copy nyo lang. So, papalitan lang natin yung n ng 20. And then, yung a sub 1, papalitan nyo ng 6 plus. So, ang n, papalitan nyo na ng 20 minus 1 times. Yung d, papalitan ng 7. So, kapag nandito tayo sa proseso ng solution, so unahin natin itong nasa loob ng parenthesis. So, copy lang yan. 20 minus 1 is 19. And then, saka i-multiply kay 7. So, 19 times 7 is 133 plus 6. The answer is 139. So, ibig sabihin, the 20th term of the given sequence is 139. So, ganun lang ka dali, no? Kapag na-identify mo na ng tama yung mga values na to. Kasi mamaya, dito pala nagkamali ka, so ibig sabihin, mali ang makukuha mong sagot. Next, in the arithmetic sequence 3, 9, 15, 21, find the value of n if a sub n is equal to 75. So, iba ito sa example number 1. So, ang hinahanap natin is yung value ng n, yung position o yung term position. So, gamit yan. So, let us identify the value of the variables na gagamitin natin. So, yung a sub n natin, so sabi sa given, 75. So, yung a sub 1, 3. And then the common difference, 9 minus 3 is 6. Okay, so check din sa iba, 15 minus 9, 6 din. 21 minus 15, 6 din. So therefore, yung common difference ay 6. So ang hinahanap natin is yung n. Okay, so substitute the values to the general formula to find this is the n. Ano? Okay, palitan na natin. So again, so ang hinahanap natin dito is yung n. So ito yung mga given natin. So yung a sub n is 75. Yung a sub 1 natin ay 3. So yung common difference ay 6. Okay, so substitute natin sa formula. So again, yung a sub n, meron tayong value. So papalitan natin yung a sub n ng 75. Yung a sub 1, papalitan ng 3. So yung n, wala tayong ipapalit kasi ito yung hinahanap n minus 1 times the common difference which is 6. Then, ang gagawin nyo, i-distribute nyo muna itong 6 sa loob ng parenthesis. So, 75 is equal to 3 plus 6 times n, so 6n. 6 times negative 1 is negative 6. So, pwede natin pagsamahin ito, combine similar terms. 3 minus 6, so that is negative 3. Then, lipat nyo dito sa 75, yung negative 3. Since negative 3 siya, magiging plus pag nilipat doon sa kabila. So, magiging 78 na. So, again, bakit siya naging 78? Yung 3 minus 6, the answer is negative 3. Since kailangan natin siya ilipat doon sa 75, since negative siya, pagdating dito maging positive. Kaya 75 plus 3, 78. So 78 is equal to 6n. So we divide both sides by 6. So 78, 6 divides 6, so n na lang maiwan. 78 divides 6. So 78 divides 6, the answer is 13. So is equal to n. So ibig sabihin, the value of n is 13. I hope na sundan nyo kung paano natin nakuha yung value ng n. Next, the fifth term of an arithmetic sequence is 20 and the 12th term is 48. Find the following. So tatlo ang hinahanap. First, the common difference. Pangalawa, yung first term. At pangatlo, yung 30th term. So paano natin gagawin yan? So una, okay, let us identify the given values. So, yung A sub 5 daw natin ay 20. Yung A sub 12 natin ay 48. So, yan lang ang given. Mula dyan, hahanapin natin yung tatlo. Yung common difference, yung first term, at yung 30th term. Okay, merong shortcut kasi ang gagawin nyo dito, yung sa iba, gagawa kayo ng dalawang equation. Mula dun sa dalawang equation, mag-eliminate kayo para makuha nyo yung D. Pero meron namang shortcut kapag ganito yung problem na ma-encounter nyo. So, paano kunin yung common difference ng problem na ito? Na hindi na kayo gagamit ng dalawang equation, tapos mag-elimination method kayo. So, ganito lang. So, yung value nung A sub 12, that is 48, ima-minus nyo dun sa 20. Okay? Tapos, yung nasa baba, okay, nasa baba, di ba yung 48, that is the A sub 12. So, kunin nyo yung 12. Tapos, dito naman sa 20, yan ay yung fifth term. So, minus 5. So, again, ito yung shortcut para makuha nyo agad yung common difference. So, yung numerator nyo, ito yon yung 48 saka 20. So, ima-minus nyo lang. Tapos yung denominator, kung saan nakapwesto, yung value ng 12 term, dapat nandun din siya sa baba. Kasi pag nilagay mo dito, yung 5, O mamamali yung sagot nyo. So, dapat kung saan nakapwesto. So, kung 48 ang nauna, so dapat dito 12 term. So, kung 20, dapat dito 5. So, para hindi kayo magkamali. So, 48 minus 20, that is 28. 12 minus 5 is 7. So, 28 divides 7, the answer is 4. Okay? So, that is the shortcut. So, nakuha agad natin yung common difference. Okay. Next, kunin natin yung first term. Okay, yun ang pangalawang tinatanong. So, ano yung mga values na meron tayo pwede gamitin? So, gamitin natin yung fifth term na equals daw sa 20. Tapos, yung n natin is 5 since a sub 5, no? So, ito yung n natin. N is equal to 5 and then the common difference natin is 4. So, gamit yung formula, kukunin natin yung a sub 1. Ito. So, yung a sub n, papalitan nyo lang ng a sub 5 is equal to a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times 4. So, yung n natin dito is 5. Okay? So, pwedeng substitute lang nyo na pala dito. So, yung a sub 5, papalitan nyo ng 20 is equal to a sub 1 plus yung n natin, papalitan nyo ng 5 minus 1 times 4. Then, 5 minus 1 is 4 times 4, 16. Okay, so para makuha yung a sub 1, ilipat natin si 16 doon kay 20. Since positive ito, magiging negative. So 20 minus 16 is equal to a sub 1. So ang a sub 1 natin is 4. Okay, nasundan nyo kaya yung a sub 1 kung paano natin kinuha? So I hope nasundan. Next is yung 30 terms. So ito wala na tayong problema kasi meron na tayong a sub 1, meron na tayong common difference. So hindi na tayo mahihirapan to solve the 30 terms. So using the formula lang, so ang hinahanap na natin dito ay 30 term. So yung a sub 1 is 4, yung n natin, yung hinahanap is 30 term, and the common difference is 40. The common difference rather is 4. Okay? So, gamit yung formula, so substitute lang natin. So, 30 or a sub 30 is equal to, so ang a sub 1 is 4. Yung n natin 30 minus 1, tapos the common difference is 4. And then, 30 minus 1 is 29. Multiply by 4, 29 times 4 is 116. Plus 4, 120. So, ibig sabihin, yung A sub 30 nyo ay 130. So, kung ma-encounter nyo yung ganitong problem, so, ito yung pinaka solution nyo. Ito yung gagawin yung paraan para makuha itong tatlong hinahanap. Next. So, a company offers Jeffrey a starting yearly salary of 240,000 pesos. Okay, with raises of 20,000 per year. So what will be his salary on the 10th year? So yung mga problem na to since constant no yung pag-increase ng salary niya, kaya this is an example of arithmetic sequence. So una, kunin muna natin yung given. So yung first salary niya, yung starting salary niya, so that's the first term, 240,000. So ang hinahanap natin is the 10th year. So yung n natin ay 10. And then, ang dagdag, okay, bawat taon ay 20,000. So that's the common difference. D is equal to 20,000. So using the formula, so A sub 10 is equal to, yung A sub 1 is 240,000 plus, yung N natin ay 10, 10 minus 1 times 20,000. So yung 10 minus 1, uh, that is 9. 9 times 20,000 plus 240,000. So, kindly check. So, the answer is 420,000. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, in 10 year, yung sahod na ni Jeffrey ay 420,000 pesos. Okay, so let's go to the practice exercises. The blank is the difference between any two consecutive terms in an arithmetic sequence. Okay, A addend, B common difference, C common zero, D inverse. Okay, so in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So the answer is, okay, the common difference. Next. The common difference in an arithmetic sequence is denoted by A, K, B, P, C, D, D, Q. So in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, what is the answer? Okay, of course, letter C. Next, determine the common difference of the arithmetic sequence 8, 5, 2, negative 1, negative 4, A, negative 2, B, negative 3, C, negative 4, D, negative 5. So in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So what is the answer? Letter B. Next, the seventh term of the arithmetic sequence 2, 4, 6, 8 is A 18, B 16, C 14, D 12. So what is the answer? Letter C 14, correct. Last. So the fourth term of an arithmetic sequence is 28 and the 15th term is 105. Find the first term and the common difference of the sequence. So letter A sub 1 is 7 and D is 4. Letter B, A sub 1 is 7 and is 5. Letter C, A sub 1 is 7 and D is equal to 6. And letter D, A sub 1 is 7 and D is 7. So I'll give you 10 seconds. Okay? O 15 seconds to answer this. So, di ba, tinuruan ko kayo ng shortcut how to solve the common difference. So, paano natin kukunin yan? Alright. So, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So, what is the answer? The correct answer is letter D. So, ang A sub 1 nyo is 7 and the common difference is 7. Alright, so thank you for watching this video class. So I hope uh, manood ulit kayo dun sa next video natin about arithmetic series.